Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your YouTube channel intro, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an interesting YouTube channel intro in Canva for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an intro to your YouTube channel using Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is quite important, and having a YouTube intro can help with that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. It's going to show your recent design. Now, in order to create a YouTube channel intro, what you're going to do is click up here in the search bar and type in YouTube intro. Okay, so once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see Canva templates and then just click on see all. All right, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the Canva templates to create a YouTube channel intro. You can see some of these are really quite creative. Now, some of them do have a cost associated with it. Like this one here has a little crown in the bottom right, or if it has a dollar sign at the bottom right, those are going to have a cost associated with it. So if you only want to look at the free ones, you want to click on all filters. And then here on the left, just scroll all the way down until you see free and click on that button and then apply. Okay, so here are all of the templates to create a YouTube intro for free. So just kind of scroll through until you see one that fits with your brand. So let's see here. Well, this one looks pretty cool right here. So let me go ahead and choose this one. Okay, so yeah, that looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and click on here, customize this template. Okay, guys, so here we are in the design section. So we can go ahead and edit this YouTube channel intro to match our brand. So first thing I do is I click right up here and then rebrand this or retitle it. So Make Money Anthony YouTube channel intro. Okay. And then it's basically like setting up a Facebook page. You can easily just hover over different parts and then you can go ahead and just edit it out. So for example, this one right here, welcome. Maybe we want to go ahead and put my name. So Make Money Anthony. Okay. Now you can see too big. So what we can do is just click on it and make sure that this purple box is around the section we want to edit. And then here at the top, we can go ahead and just decrease the size. So let me go ahead and just keep decreasing it until it fits in there. Okay. So that looks good. Actually went a little too far. Well, maybe I'm going to go and make it a little smaller, make sure it's inside of the neon. So that looks good. All right. And then to my channel. So we'll go ahead and change that. My darn channel. Okay. And then maybe Borsell Gaming. Maybe we'll just put subscribe. Okay. Let me go ahead and adjust this. So if you hover over it, you're going to see this kind of turning thing. So maybe you like yours to be off to the side or maybe to the side. So you can change that around. For me, it looks like this one. I'll go ahead and tilt it a little bit to match the neon. Okay. That looks good. And then right here, let me go ahead and just delete that. I don't really need that. So there's a purple box around it and I'll just click my delete button. And this is actually really important down here. So you can see that this YouTube channel or YouTube video intro is 10 seconds. So that's really going to be up to you. But in my experience, you probably want that to be a little bit shorter because people get annoyed if your intro is too long. In fact, people get annoyed with me just because sometimes I ramble on. So what I would probably do is I'll go ahead and decrease this. So you just drag it over. You see it's 4 seconds. For me personally, I like it to be like, I don't know, maybe 2.5 seconds. So that looks good. And we can go ahead and just play with this and drag it to the beginning and let's play it and see what it looks like. So that looks pretty spiffy. Maybe if you want to add in extra features, you can do that. So first, let me go ahead and click on my darn, and I'm going to go ahead and rotate that a little bit to make it match up with the other words here at the top. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, it looks better for me. And then what we can do is over here on the left, we can also add in different elements. So you can also add pictures. So we'll go to uploads and then here's the pictures that I have already added into my Canva. So you can drag those in, or if you want, you can click on upload and then upload other pictures and videos, and it's going to come directly from your computer and then it'll be saved right here in your storage in Canva. And once it's here, you can easily just go ahead and drag it right on over. So right there. So that looks kind of funky because of the square box around my picture. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And another thing you can do is click on elements and then just scroll down until you see the section frames. So these are frames that you can drag your picture into. So maybe we'll go ahead and get the circle and maybe I want my picture to be right here. And now all we need to do is go back here to upload and then I can drag my picture right into this frame and you can see it just sizes it immediately. So it's actually covering up this neon. So what we can do is we can go ahead and right click on that and then click on layer and then bring forward. And maybe we can go ahead and shrink it down. So maybe I just want myself to be nice and small right down here in the bottom. And you can come back here. You can add a text box if you need to add something else in. So you can see a new text box right there. And we can drag that over here. YouTube intro. Okay. So now let's see what it looks like down here on the bottom. We can preview it by dragging this bar back and then click on play. So that actually looks pretty cool. That's 2.5 seconds. And then you just want to play around with it and you can draw little things on it if you want. So maybe we're going to do maybe a blue line and you can just draw right over it if you want. If you made an error, just go ahead and click on back right here. So for me, that looks pretty good for a YouTube channel intro. So let me go ahead and move myself out of the way. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to click on share here on the top right. And then what we're going to do is click on download here on the bottom left. And then here, make sure the file type is MP4 right down here. And then you just want to click download. Okay, now my YouTube channel intro is downloading. Okay, now my YouTube channel intro is downloaded. So let me go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. Okay, here we are. And let me play it for you. All right, so there it goes right there. You can see the lines moving around. That looks pretty good. So now, depending on whatever your video editor is, we can go ahead and insert this YouTube channel intro before all of our videos when we are editing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a YouTube channel intro in Canva for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.